And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the Doctype tag. It's not really a tag, but you write it the same way as you write tags in HTML. This is usually what it looks like, and it's used to declare an HTML document, and it must be added as a start so that the browser knows that HTML is following. It's specific for HTML5. If we want to use it, for example, for HTML4, you will have to add a reference, and this is usually the document type definition. So it would, for example, look like this for HTML 4.01, but for HTML5 we'll just use doctype HTML and use these smaller than and greater than signs like with the tag. One more thing to know is that it's not case sensitive, so if you write it like this, it has the same meaning as, for example, this. Or like I wrote it right here at the beginning of the first code line. But usually you would write the doctype in all capital letters and then the HTML in lower cap. And this is how you can use the doctype tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.